James chapter 3 verse 2. We make mistakes in so many things. But if a man does not make a mistake in words, such a man is called perfect. For he is able to control his whole body. In other words, the control panel of your physical body is in your mouth. Your physical body, your arteries, your tendons, your ligaments, your veins, your tissues, your skin, your internal organs, from the crown of your head to the sole of your feet to the tip of your toe, answers to your words. For nothing was made that was made without words. So you are not sick because of a medical condition. No, you are sick because of a mental condition. For as a man thinketh, so is he. You cannot be more well than you speak.